Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the craziness. Today we're going to be opening our Yes Oh Yes bag for February 2019. First, let me tell you a little bit about this bag. It is $14.99 a month with $3.99 shipping, so it ends up being just about $19. And you get 3 to 7 full-size products in here. And then I do have a code that you can use down below for 10% off your first bag if you're interested in that. Okay, let's just go ahead and see what we got in here. Okay, so you always get this little card right here that has the theme for the month, and then on the back you have everything that you'll be getting in here. And normally you would have the values listed next to everything, but it looks like they're not doing that anymore and they're just putting total suggested MSRP, $93. So I will definitely let you know if that's the real MSRP. I think it's weird that they took the values off the card. That just seems strange to me personally. So as always, I will put the values down below and let's see if it adds up to $93. And then I also will put if things are cruelty free if I don't know at the time of filming, if you are interested in that. Okay, let's just go ahead and see what we got in here. Okay, so the first thing I'm seeing, let's see, I think these all go together. Okay, so I have 3 brushes right here from Inmo. So it says I have an Inmo crease brush, a concealer brush, and an angled brush. Okay, so this is the crease brush. I will say it does feel decent. Okay, I mean, it's not like the softest brush I've ever used, but it's not bad. It says this is a concealer brush, but I would use it more like a packing brush for the tops of my eyes. And then this is the angled brush, so not bad. Overall, I think the angled brush is probably my favorite. I do use angled brushes for my brows, so I will definitely get a lot of use out of that. The handles are just like this. They're like diamondy kind of looking. Feels a little cheap, but not too bad, honestly. The real important part of a brush is this part. So yeah, got some brushes. Okay, so curiosity got the best of me, so I actually looked up these brushes on the Inmo website, and they don't sell them individually. They come in a set of 12, and so that makes each of these brushes valued at $3.75 and makes all 3 of them together $11.25. So maybe I'll just keep a running tally and see if we get to $93. Let's do that. Okay, so the next thing I have in here is from Kokie, which is cruelty free. This is a Velvet Smooth eyeliner in the shade 531 Forest Green. So I'm just going to show you the lid right there. I'm not going to swatch this just because I know I'm never ever going to use a green eyeshadow. But it does look nice. It's just a real deep green. I'm not sure if you were able to see that, but I'll probably just toss this to the side for a giveaway. It's just something I know personally I'm not going to use, so there's no point to swatch it. Okay, and that eyeliner brush is valued at $6. All right, we're up to $17. Let's see if we can get to $93. I don't know. So the next thing I'm seeing is from Jcat Beauty, which is cruelty free. This is their Holy Addiction Pro Define eyeliner, and mine is in the shade. Maybe it doesn't have a shade, unless Holy Addiction is the shade, but it's like a copper color. So this seems, even though I mostly wear black eyeliner, this seems like a more wearable color to me, so I will go ahead and swatch this. Jcat Beauty is cruelty free. Okay, so it's just a wood pencil. Let's go ahead and swatch. It's very pretty. Not super creamy, but not bad. So there it is. Just like a sort of shimmery brown color. Okay, so surprisingly, I was actually surprised how cheap this was. This is valued at $2.99. So right now we're up to $20.24. I have 2 items left, so let's see if we can get there. Okay, so the next item is from Bang Beauty. It's a lip crayon, and mine is in the shade Dangerous. Okay, it is pretty dangerous. This is like a bright, bright red. It looks not as bright on camera, but I swear it is like, if neon red was a color, that's what I'd call this. Let's go ahead and swatch it. Oh, okay, so it's not bad. It's more of like a lip, like sheer, is that a thing? It's like a lip, it's like if tinted lip color is what I would call it. Like a tinted balm. So there it is. I don't know if that's the color I would wear. It's a little bright for me personally, but I do like that it is, you know, creamy, like something that's not gonna dry out your lips. Okay, so this is valued at $18. That brings us up to $38.24. Okay, so let's see. The last thing I have is a eyeshadow palette from Beauty Creations, which is cruelty free, which I will say everything in here has been cruelty free. So that's good for me. So this is the Emerald palette. So the palette looks just like this inside. It reminds me of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette. Like, it really does. I should go get that palette just so I can show you. Okay, so right here is the Subculture palette. And then here is this palette. So I'm just gonna put them right there. Whoops, brush fell out, which I don't use. Okay, so like this color right here is like that color. Let's see. This like orange color looks like that color. The green color right here is like that color. Like, or sorry, that color right there. Like, it's just, to me, when I opened up this palette, I immediately thought this palette. So I don't know which one came first. I don't know if one is ripping off the other, but they're very, very, very similar. Actually, let me go ahead and swatch them for you now. So you can see they're pretty pigmented. Not mad about that. I will say I have like, I think I have 2 other palettes from Beauty Creations, and I don't think they're bad palettes. Like, I think for the price you pay for them, which I want to say they're like $9, I'm gonna look it up in a second. I think that they're very good palettes for the price. Let's go ahead and get a value. Okay, so funny thing when looking up this palette. So this website, they don't even make this palette to buy. Okay, shh. So I found this website called Central Closeout. It says, this item has the same colors as Esmeralda, but there was a misprint in production and they decided to liquidate this item as Emerald for a lesser price. That's hilarious. So let me look up how much the Esmeralda palette is. So they sell on their website Esmeralda 1 and 2 for, it's listed at $30. So we'll give this palette, say it's worth $15. Okay, so the total value of this box is $53.24. And they are telling me it is worth $93. A little bit interesting, right? Okay, so I'm gonna go, they have on here, visit our online FAQ for more information on original MSRP price. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna read you what their website says. Yes, oh yes, subscription retail value is based only on original retail pricing of the items included for the month. Retail value prices are given to us by the company partners of the month and does not reflect price reductions, sale, or clearance. Original retail value pricing may not be displayed on company's website. Retail value pricing are subject to change, and Yes, oh yes has no control over decisions made by the company partners of the month. That just seems a little bit odd to me. All those prices I looked up, none of them were sale prices. Even the palettes, it was on sale for $24.99 for 2, but it said original price $30. So I don't know. It just seems a little sketch to me. What was the difference? A $43 difference? That's a lot. So I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm not mad about the box. I like the box, but I just don't like that the prices are like super, super inflated. And I know some boxes do that sometimes, but a $40 difference, you know, and literally none of this I would ever purchase. Maybe the Jcat eyeliner. That's probably it. So I don't know. What do you guys think about this box? Let me know. What do you think of their pricing practices or whatever, I guess. Lying about prices. I'm curious to hear what you have to say. But yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxing, all that good stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.